Have you ever seen someone lose 20 kilos in just few months, but instead of looking fit, they looks weaker and still have same belly fat? That's because quick diets don't just burn fat, they burn muscle. And here is the truth. Shortcuts never last. Now, talk about why shortcuts fail. Imagine buying a Netflix for 6 months, being watching everything, and then saying, I don't need Netflix anymore. I already watched it all. Crazy, right? That exactly how diet fails. People get a strict diet plan, lose some weight, and think they have cracked the code. But once they stop, old habits come back, and the weight comes rushing in, usually faster than before. And here is the kicker. Since they lost muscle during the diet, their metabolism is slower, which makes it even easier to gain back more than they lost. Let's jump in and see why weight training is the secret. If two people both lose 10 kilos, why does one look toned and strong while the other looks soft and tired? The answer is muscle. When you lift weights, your body gets the message: keep the muscle, burn the fat. Skip weight training, and your body does the opposite. It eats up muscles and leaves you skinny fat, smaller but still stuck with the belly fat. That's like deleting all your small apps to save phone space, but keeping the biggest one. Now, why nutrition balance is important for sustainability? Here's the fun fact. Your body doesn't care how much weight you lose. It only cares when you lose fat or muscles. And that depends on your nutrition. Cutting calorie alone doesn't work. Without enough protein, your body will pull it from your muscles. That's why every meal should have protein, eggs, chicken, lentils, Greek yogurt, along with balanced carbs and fats. It's not about surviving a 6 months diet chart. It's about building daily habits. You can actually keep like eating protein first or balancing your plate instead of starving. Let's see the truth about quick fixes. Shortcuts don't last. Yes, you can drop 20 kilos fast, but if it's mostly muscles, you will look weaker, older, and fat will return. The real win is losing fat while preserving muscles. And that only happens when you combine strength training with balanced nutrition. It's not one time diet, it's a lifestyle. So let me ask you, do you want to lose weight fast and gain it back, or lose fat slowly and keep it off forever? Please comments below. Subscribe and follow Wellz Hub. Click the bell icon for notification. Stay tuned. Thank you.